Welcome to Kazungula, Zambia, the only place on earth where four countries meet. As we drift over the Zambezi River, it's clear that this area is not just about geography, it's about opportunity. Kazungula is on the snail of transformation and it holds an exciting future. While Kazungula may not yet boast modern properties along the river, its natural landscape is truly breathtaking. The untouched beauty of the riverfront presents a blank canvas for your vision. Now is a perfect time to invest in riverfront properties. With the town experiencing rapid growth, these locations are becoming prime real estate hotspots for future developments. At Homes Platinum, we understand the potential of Kazungula's real estate market. Our dedicated team is here to help you explore the possibilities and secure your stake in this burgeoning area. Join other forward-thinking investors who recognize the value of Kazungula. Whether you're seeking land for development or a peaceful retreat, we will guide you every step of the way. Seize the opportunity to be part of Kazungula's growth. Reach out to Homes Platinum today and let's explore the future of riverfront living together. Homes Platinum, the smart home buying.